Me?
She put makeup on for me just because I was coming over. All of this is for me.
And you guys.
For those of you who don't know, Jerf, Florida State blew a 20-point lead against Miami last. 20-point lead. 20 points.
That's a lot of points.
Fuck you. Anyway, I'm taking Miami. They're a 7-point favorite. It's easy. All right, last game where both teams are ranked. Wisconsin playing Michigan.
Good pronunciation.
Wisconsin? That was good pronunciation? All right, what's the line for that game?
Michigan is a 9.5.
Michigan is a favorite. Wow, Harbaugh.
Oh my god.
Looks fucking good, to be honest. I can't work if you're...
As it is for me. So, if you saw anything that you thought might be a bit amiss?
Well, if I told the cops I wasn't really watching.
I imagine you had your head in other matters.
Right, if anyone wants easy money, today the Longhorns are playing the Rapists. The Longhorns are... Jeff is watching my career go down the drain right now. The Longhorns are a 14-point favorite. Swipe up. You...
A resume?
In progress.
What are you doing?
I suppose you are.
What are you doing down there?
Disease-free.
Supposed to add a little flourish.
Against my better judgment, I'm going to take Miami against the University of Virginia. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I'm getting PTSD just saying the words Miami. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Are you ready? It's your time to shine, Benny. Benny. You are the cutest thing in the world. I'm sorry. Benny, you are the cutest thing in the world. Frankie. You're pretty fucking cute, too. It is almost bedtime. I'm exhausted, but I know I'm going to be busy tomorrow morning, so I'm placing my bets right now for the NFL games. The first wave of games, at least. 100% bonus on that. That is free money. Swipe up. Use my code. And I'm pretty sure I've mentioned this, but you guys can bet on Josh Gordon's sobriety. Yeah. I bugged my bookie enough for them to make that an actual bet on their website. Swipe up. You can use code MIA for that too. Washington's a favorite going into play Oregon by, I think, like 3 points. And I love Washington's coach. Like, I have a man crush on him.
Is it Cliff Kingsbury?
It's not Cliff Kingsbury. He's the Texas Tech coach. You should know that. Anyway, so, right, game I'm most excited for today is Georgia Bulldogs versus LSU. Jeff, who are you taking in that game?
Bulldogs!
Fuck you. I'm going Tigers.
Who are the Tigers?
LSU.
Really, no one comes over.
Hello. Hello. You want attention too? Oh my
I feel like you need
goodness.
to tell me when you're doing it so I can put a light on him.
I know.
Ghost. He's like a little shadow.
You put that on though, and that helped. The bright. Jeff,
Yes.
where'd you go to school?
Drexel University.
Rutgers University. You heard it here. Rutgers University. I'm trying to work, and you're trying to get me in trouble.
You didn't say it.
Just because you went to Rutgers.
I didn't go to Rutgers.
Yes, you did.
Not into Rutgers. It's not the same thing.
Why are you bragging about getting into Rutgers? My dog got into Rutgers.
The dog did not get into Rutgers.
Yes, she did.
No, she didn't.
This is the best college football Saturday that I've had this entire year so far because Florida State's not playing, and you can't lose on a bye week. Too loose. Is that tongue out? What's your tongue doing out, buddy? What's your tongue doing out? What's your tongue doing out? I love you.
Wow, you're so fun.
Oh, I love croque
That is
madames.
so hardcore.
That chalupa. Nice feetsies.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Hey, you got a pedicure. Calm down. Calm down.